Welcome back to the restroom. In this episode I'll be cleaning up the rusty bits of the chassis on the TVR. I'll start off just by using a strip and clean wheel to take off the loose paint and surface rust. Then I can apply a rust converter to the bare metal, and after that I can paint it with some 2K epoxy. I will stone chip and top coat it red in the end. When I was cleaning up the outriggers of the chassis, I did notice there was a few bits around the engine bay area which would require some attention, so we decided to take the engine and gearbox out to get to these bits as they weren't accessible with the engine.
Get on then, babe, drash them all.
I'm not sure that's moving. Have you got it?
Yeah, I've got it, yeah.
Oh, God. Oh!
Is it coming down?
Just keep holding it.
Yeah, I've got it. Don't you worry about that sunshine.
Jesus, that was tight. What's going on? Well, I think I'll just crack them all off a little bit.
You need to rotate
I need to,
it down.
yeah, spin it around a bit if you can. Keep going.
And then stop.
A little bit more. That'll do. Ready?
Yeah.
I'm going to give it some... Christ! That was literally as hard as I could go then.
So I will have the engine out today. Yeah.
Yeah, right. God, fucking hell. That's so tight, I can't even fucking crack it. Do you want to have a swap?
Yeah, we can have a swap if you want today. Were you literally hanging off of it?
Yeah, well, I really don't want it to slip off. That's
Yeah,
it off.
I'll be
So I'm holding it, like pushing it on with one and then like
Yeah, I'll do that.
wanging it with the other.
Let me know when you're... Hang on, let me get a bit... Fuck me. Ah! Right, we'll give it some.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
You hold on to it.
Yeah.
Ready? That's come undone.
That's it?
Yeah. I wondered why it was spinning around. I was like, surely not. Yeah, that one's undone. She
I
wants...
think if I go this way.
Oh, something nearly twatted me in the face then. What even is that? A handbrake?
Yeah.
Well, that one's on there. Let me give her a bit of no nonsense back. Oh, I love this. Do you? Absolutely loved it. Ugh. Can you go clockwise a little bit? No, anti-clockwise, sorry. Ready? Oh, I think she's undone. Yep. Just go on to the next one. Hang on, keep it there. Oh, there we go. I think that's all of them, Bay. You can come under here and do the undoings of them. Hey, that's a nice sound. That's the sound of victory like that.
No, probably because they had like. Probably because they had mega Loctite on them. I think it looks like they got Loctite on them. But still, that was fucking ridiculous. Yeah. Imagine if you could just get an open end on it. Game over, wouldn't it?
All good?
Yeah, that's out now. Now what? Why'd you go all the way under from there?
I don't know. Oh, fuck. Well, those blocks you've put in are right in the way.
There goes that one.
That just snap off.
Just a through bit anyway.
Nice. Sick bar. Right, I need to get out of the way.
These bolts are so close to the nuts are so close to this thing. You can't get anything on them. Literally, you can't. You can only just about get a open-ended on. Is there any way you could come and hold the spanner? Because I think then I can get 2 hands on the ratchet and it'll just make life a lot easier. You can hold the spanner. Oh, well, yeah, if you hold the spanner. And I'll do this. It's quite tight. That's how you get that one off. Right, let's hit him.
So, just turn it that much there. So from there to there. Go on this side. Turn it from there to there.
Hey.
Oh, me, there's loads more space now. Yep. Do you want it to come towards me a bit more?
No, it's the room. It's just not. There you go. Oh, she's pissing out everywhere.
Where's the thing gone? There it is.
You know, and I was like, oh, it's probably going to come out everywhere.
There you go. That's black, isn't it? The stuff coming out.
Oh, man. No. Oh, gear oil stinks. My little prop shaft.
It's just to get this, so it's like pulling on it.
Oh, we're pretty much maximum height now.
Need to come back anyway a little bit. So just steady the shit through.
It's almost on the chassis. Right, we just need to lift the box. Now I need to get in there.
Might not be worth painting. Might be worth painting this up, and we've got the engine back in.
Carry handle here. Convenient carry handle.
Alright, come on. Good.
Right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Go. Oh, freedom!
You good?
Yeah.
Wait, look at that axle sound. I think, yeah, that's not doing anything.
Wait, is that the one from under there?
Yeah.
Jesus, I just stood on that. To be fair, it looks like that end one was going to leak soon. It's black hot close to the edge. We got the engine out, which was, I wasn't going to do it initially, but then saw this dodgy bits of the chassis around the engine which you couldn't get to with it in. So I thought I might as well take it out, and I can do things like the clutch and other bits and pieces that you do when engines are out, engine mounts. And also I was really worried about taking the manifolds off because I thought they were all just going to snap off in the head and it was going to be a nightmare. But luckily they all were pretty easy, to be honest. They'll come out nice and easy. So whip them off as well, because you can put them back on when the engine's in, and it'll make putting it back in easier as well, because it was a bit annoying with them on.
Yeah, it was a bit of a nightmare, wasn't it? Getting it out. It was hitting on the this part here. Was hitting on the manifolds, wasn't it? When we were trying to get it out.
It just gives a bit more room because it's such a smaller unit now that they're not sticking out like here.
Yeah, and plus, yeah, it's not coming out the front either, is it?
So it'll be a piece of this getting back in, isn't it?
Be lovely jubbly.
And I'm pretty sure you can put them on with it in there. We'll figure it out.
Lovely jubbly.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and also subscribe. Check out all our older videos, the other videos in the TVR series, and of course Ben's Beetle as well. And see you next time.